How to log out of your TikTok account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we will learn how you can sign out or log out of your TikTok application account. For this, first of all, head over to your App Store or Play Store. Then after tap on the search icon and tap for TikTok. If there is a latest release, tap on the update button. If not, you can directly open the application. Now that you do so, head over to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then after, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Now that you reach on this page, scroll down to the bottom. Under the subheading Login, you will see two options. The very first one is Switch Account and the second one is Log Out. So you can either switch account to another account directly or you can log out using the second option. Just confirm log out and you will be logged out of your account. After that, you can use different process to sign in, such as your Google account, email account, and much more. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.